People are doing all sorts of things to earn money these days, from selling their used bath water and toenail clippings to selling their hair and their poop. Get ready to dive into the world of jaw-dropping side hustles that will leave you thinking, wait, seriously? You can make money doing that? Buckle up, because today we're unveiling the top 10 weirdest side hustles that can actually fill your pockets with some serious cash. Did you know that you can hug people and get paid for it? It's called being a professional cuddler. You can offer your services as a professional cuddler, providing comfort and companionship to individuals in need of human connection. Professional cuddlers are experts in snuggling, and they are also known as cuddle therapists. They use non-sexual touch to bring comfort to clients and to promote a sense of tranquility. But why? Studies have shown that cuddling and snuggling can actually improve your overall health. That's right. It's not just warm and fuzzy feelings. It's backed by research. When you engage in a good cuddle session, your brain releases the feel-good hormone oxytocin, and it makes you feel warm and fuzzy inside. Guess what? It also helps to lower blood pressure, and it gives your immune system a little boost. Now, who knew cuddling could be so powerful? Wait until you see the last side hustle. So picture this. You're a cuddle therapist armed with your superpower of oxytocin-induced comfort. Your mission? To make people feel safe and secure, one cuddle at a time. But how does one become a professional cuddler? It takes a special set of skills. You've got to have the ability to listen, to acknowledge, and to provide soothing comfort to your clients. It's like being a master in the art of hugs and snuggles. You're not just a professional cuddler, you're a cuddle whisperer. Now, to become a professional cuddler, training and certification are a must. There are courses that cover the art and science of cuddling. So check out sites like cuddlist.com or certifiedcuddlers.com. The average earning is about $80 to $120 per hour. Are you passionate about fashion and pets? Well, you can combine your love for both with a unique side hustle as a pet clothing designer. Create stylish and adorable clothing and accessories for pets. Cater to the owners who want to dress up their furry friends in the latest trends. From cute sweaters and bow ties to fashionable hats and hoodies, let your creativity run wild. Whether it's for special occasions or everyday wear, your pet clothing designs will bring joy to both pets and their owners. Research has shown that the global pet clothing market is $1 billion market right now, and it is projected to increase by more than 5% per year. Now, in 2022, Americans spent over $136 billion on their pets. Gen Z pet owners, those are the ones 18 to 25, are the most likely to spoil their pets with birthday cake, birthday presents, and clothing or costume. Look, I'm not a lover of pets, but who says you need to love pets to make and sell their clothes? A good side hustle is not doing what you love, but it's doing what the market demands. For example, Gina Davis, she always loved fashion. While studying design in college, she sold vintage clothes and dabbled in making jewelry and clothing. Her Pomeranian poodle mix, called Thomas, often modeled her creations. In her hometown, Thomas's trendy outfits stood out as unique, and today Gina earns over $250,000 per year selling dog outfits. To succeed with this side hustle, you would need to do some research on pet clothing trends, see what is trending out there right now, and decide which pets you will focus on and what you want to sell. For example, there's jackets, boots, shirts, socks, bow ties, pants, raincoats, pajamas. Do you want to specialize in clothing for pets with allergies? Do you want to do pet clothes for special occasions such as weddings or birthday celebrations? Do you see how this can be a profitable business idea because of all the options available? So whatever your specialty, make sure it's something that's in demand. You would need to set up an online store, decide on your branding and packaging, your delivery method. So while pet clothing can range in cost from $10 to hundreds of dollars per item, how much you earn depends on your ability to meet demand and market your product successfully. Now, I know you've heard it said never sleep on the job. What if the job itself was to sleep? Yes, you can actually get paid to sleep. You can offer your services as a professional sleeper for sleep studies, mattress testing, or providing feedback on sleep-related products. Researchers always want to improve products or sleep in general. For example, an environmental sleep tester. Yes, this is a real job. This is someone who is paid to help researchers discover how different environments affect quality of sleep. Mattress companies hire sleepers to test their mattresses to see how comfortable they are and how they affect people's sleep. Usually a professional sleeper would have to take some sleeping pills depending on the study. How much money can you make in your sleep? According to Sleep Junkie, they pay $3,000 for sleepers to test mattresses over a 2-month period. Now that comes up to $50 per night. Now that might not make you rich immediately, but can it pay a bill or two? It sure can. One study at the University of Colorado paid participants almost $2,500 for 8 hours of sleep. Now, I'm no mathematician, but that sounds like about $312 per hour to sleep. Some of these sleep testing can occur at 5-star hotels or even at the site of the company's choosing. So you have to bear in mind there's a challenge for you if you have family obligations. But if you love taking your medication, if you love to sleep, you enjoy trying out new locations, trying out new environments, testing mattresses and pillows, hey, go for it. As a professional sleeper, there's no limit to the amount of money you can earn. Go catch some Z's and get paid doing it. In certain cultures, air cleaning is considered a therapeutic practice. Some individuals have capitalized on this by offering professional air cleaning services. They use specialized tools and techniques to clean clients' ears and to provide relaxation. So the rates for air cleaning services can range from $30 to $100 per session or more, depending on the location, demand, and additional services that are being offered. If you're comfortable with touching people's ears and you want to make them feel relaxed, then the air cleaning side hustle could be for you. As bed bugs continue to be a problem in many areas, some individuals train and work with specially trained dogs to detect bed bug infestations. They offer their services to homeowners, to hotels, and other establishments in need of bed bug detection. Your clients could include homeowners, hotels, rental properties, dormitories, and other establishments that may suspect or want to prevent bed bug infestations. You would visit these locations with your dog and conduct thorough inspections, focusing on areas where bed bugs are likely to hide, such as mattresses, furniture, and cracks in walls or floors. Now, once the dog detects the presence of bed bugs, you would document the findings and provide recommendations for treatment or further action. In terms of the earning potential, the rates for bed bug sniffing dog handlers can vary depending on the location, the size of the property being inspected, the demand for the service. So generally, inspections range from $100 to $300 per visit, depending on the complexity of the area being inspected. As an experienced handler, you can potentially earn a significant income by conducting multiple inspections in a day or in a week. Snake venom is used for various purposes, such as anti-venom production and scientific research. Snake milkers extract venom from snakes safely and efficiently. They may work at venomous snake farms, research institutions, or supply venom to pharmaceutical companies. The earning potential for a professional snake milker can range from $30,000 to $60,000 per year, depending on your experience, the location, and the employer. So if you like handling snakes, then that could be a good side hustle for you. Do you have a strong sense of taste and smell as well? What about a genuine passion for dogs and their well-being? You should also possess a good understanding of dog nutrition and dietary requirements to assess the quality and nutrition value of the food accurately. As a dog food taster, you'll have the thrilling opportunity to sample a variety of dog food brands and recipes. It's not just about taste. Your role goes beyond that. You'll ensure that dogs receive the highest quality, most delicious, and nutritionally balanced meals possible. Imagine being the influential voice behind the development of new flavors, textures, and formulations that will make tails wag with delight. You'll get up close and personal with different aromas, savoring the mouth-watering bites and assessing the texture that will have dogs begging for more. But it's not just a dream job for dog lovers. It's a rewarding side hustle as well. Dog food tasters can earn a livable income with rates ranging from $20 to $40 per hour and even more as high as $80 per hour. Unleash your taste buds and dive into the world of dog food tasting. Just wait till you see the next side hustle. If you have beautiful feet or just weird looking feet, fear not. You can make some good money by selling pictures of your feet. Step into the thriving online market for foot photography, where individuals are reportedly raking in impressive earnings of over $70,000 per year by selling pictures of their precious tootsies. Dedicated platforms like feetfinder.com, feetpeaks.com, and InstaFeet have emerged as hubs for this unique side hustle, while traditional social media giants such as Instagram and Facebook offer opportunities to grow your audience. Rest assured, this unusual side hustle is completely legal as long as you use your own photos and you fulfill your tax obligations on your earnings. Prices for foot pictures can range from $5 to $100 or even more, depending on factors like the demand and the quality of your shots. But who exactly is buying these foot photos anyways? Surprisingly, it's not just the fetish community. Businesses associated with feet-related industries such as healthcare, beauty, or footwear brands occasionally are looking for feet pictures for marketing purposes. It's time to pamper your feet and showcase their beauty. And before diving into the world of foot photography, remember to maintain your privacy and you have to set clear boundaries throughout your journey. So if you're ready to put your best foot forward and tap into this bustling market, then like the video, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next video.